The Toyota Remote Starter Kit by StartX allows you to start your vehicle remotely, making it convenient to warm or cool your car before you even step inside. This kit is specifically designed for certain Toyota models with push-to-start functionality, including the Highlander from 2014 to 2019, ensuring compatibility and ease of use. The unique plug-and-play T-harness is a standout feature, allowing for installation without the need to cut or splice any wires, though some disassembly of your vehicle is required. A particularly user-friendly feature is the ability to start your vehicle by pressing the lock button 3 times on your factory remote, eliminating the need for additional devices. One limitation to note is that the engine will shut down if you open the vehicle door after a remote start, requiring a restart before driving. The range for remote starting your vehicle is determined by how far you can lock your vehicle from, making it important to test your key fob's distance capability.